Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to GTG Global Testing Group channel. Today, we will continue sharing with you the FCC certification, the approval for United States market. As you know, there are two types of FCC certifications. You need to make sure which type of FCC certification is required for your products. Before, FCC certifications included three types: FCC ID, FCC VoC, verification of conformity, FCC DoC, declaration of conformity. But since November 2, 2018, FCC SDoC, Supplier's declaration of conformity, replaced FCC DoC and VoC to make certifications, in order to simplify the FCC certification process and clarify the usage specification of RFID, radio frequency identification. FCC ID is mainly certified for wireless devices such as radios, Wi-Fi, RFID, Zigbee, Bluetooth and BLE devices, while FCC SDoC is certified for general digital devices without wireless modules. GTG, Product Testing and International Approval. Find more at gtggroup.com.